Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Study Studio. So today we are going to learn wild animals with sound. Wild animals that live in the jungle. So the first animal is lion lion. Lion lion, and its sound is roar roar. Roar roar. Tiger tiger. Growl growl. Growl growl. Elephant turrumped turrumped. Monkey monkey. Chatter chatter chatter. Bear 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 sorry. Bear bear. Growl growl. Growl growl. Wolf wolf. Wolf wolf. Owl owl. Owl owl. Fox fox. Yelp yelp. Yelp yelp. Snake snake. Hiss. So now you know wild animals and their sounds. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.